Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search and search software update. After click on software update, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.